Hello, good morning, students. Welcome back to the class. So, today, once again, we will start our chapter Practical Geometry. So, in the Practical Geometry, already we have completed our exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Today, we will start our exercise 4.3 and 4.3 exercise totally based on construction of a quadrilateral when two sides and three angles are given. So, how will you construct a quadrilateral? Is it clear? So already first and second question I have already explained in the previous video. Today we will start our question number third. And what is question number third, beta? Parallelogram HEAR. Okay, you have to draw the parallelogram HEAR where HE is given 5 centimeter, EA is given 6 centimeter, and angle R is given 85 degree. Clear? So simply, first of all, first step I have already told you. First you will draw a rough diagram of the parallelogram. For example, this is a parallelogram HEAR. Clear? This is a parallelogram HEAR where HE is given 5 centimeter, EA is given 6 centimeter, angle R is given 85 degree. Okay, but the exercise is based on where two sides and three angles given. Clear, beta? So two sides, this is this one side and this one side, this is already given, but only one angle is given. So first of all, first step what we have to do, we will find out the other two angles. Okay, so how we will find out, beta? So this is HEAR is a parallelogram, and what is the property of parallelogram? Simply, you know, opposite angles will be equal. Okay, opposite angles measure will be equal. So if this one angle and this one angle, so these are opposite angle, so this one will be also 85 degree. After that, next second property, you know, sum of any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram will be equal to 180 degree. So for example, angle R and H you can take, H and E you can take, so sum of any two angle will be equal to 180 degree. So here, for example, I am taking the adjacent angle H plus angle E, so it will be equal to 180 degree. Angle H plus E is already given 85 degree is equal to 180 degree. So simply you can find out angle H, it will be equal to 180 minus 85. Clear? So 180 minus 85, what will you get here, beta? 5, and 17 minus 8, 9. So here you are getting 95. Clear? So this one angle, this will be 95 degree. Now you can see in this triangle, in this parallelogram HEAR, all the three angles are given and two sides are given. Now how will you construct the quadrilateral? How will you draw the parallelogram HEAR where two sides and three angles are given? Clear? So first of all, first step I have already told you, you will take the side where length of the side is given and both the angles are given. Okay, so you can see on that side, this one side, HE side. Okay, so on this side, side length is already given 5 centimeter and both the angles are given. If you will take this one side length is given but only one angle is given. Clear? If you will take the opposite of this one angle, so this will be 95 also. So you can take any one side from both of them. So first, for example, I am taking the side HE. Clear? So first step, what will you do, beta? You will take, first step, you will take the HE 5 centimeter with the help of ruler, compass and D. You will draw the parallelogram HEAR. So first step, you will draw the line segment HE which is given 5 centimeter. Clear? So for example, I am drawing here, this is line segment HE, and this is given 5 centimeter. Clear? Now you have to draw both the angles are given. Angle H is 95, angle E is 85 degrees. So first of all, you will draw both the angles. Angle H 95. So 95 is not a standard angle. Clear? All of you know this is not a standard angle. So you are not able to draw this angle with the help of compass. So what will you do? You will take the help of D and protractor, and with the help of protractor you will make this angle. Clear? So you have to draw 95 angle at the point H. So beta, this is point H. First of all, you have to adjust your D exact straight exactly straight to the point H. Okay, like that. Clear? Now you have to draw the angle 95, and H angle is given here and line is here. It means you will start the angle, 0 will start from here. Okay, this one side. So here you can see 0 is given interior side. So you will check here 90 is the straight line, and after 90 it will be 95 and 100. So 95, where is 95? This one. Okay, this one is 95. Clear? So what will you do? You will simply draw a line. You will join this point by the line. Okay, so this is 95-degree angle. This one angle, you can say this is 95 degree. Clear? Now you have to draw angle E also. So angle E is given 85 degree. Angle E is given 85. So 85 is also not a standard angle. Clear? And so what you have to do, beta, you have to draw this angle also with the help of protractor. So how will you draw? So simply you will put your protractor at point E. Now you can see line is given this one side, beta, this one side. So you will check here, this one side 0 is given outer side or inner side of the protractor. So you can see here it is given outer side. So you will take the counting, outer sides counting. So you can start from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30 up to 90. Okay, but you have to draw the angle 85. So 85 will be less than 90. So after 5 points more, so you will take 85 will be here. Okay, so you will draw the point. After that simply you will join the line like that. You can join the line. So this is angle E and this is 85 degree. Clear all of you? Now beta, what is given? EA. Okay, length of EA is also given and it is 6 centimeter. Length of EA is 6 centimeter. Okay, so you can take a compass, and with the help of compass and ruler you will open your compass exactly 6 centimeter. So open it 6 centimeter like that. Okay, after that you will put your compass pin at point E and you will draw the arc, okay, on that line like that. Okay, so this arc will cut at exactly one point, and this point you can say this is point A. Okay, this is point A and this length EA is 6 centimeter. Is it clear all of you? Very good. Now you can say, beta, okay, in parallelogram this line is parallel to this one and this line will be parallel to this one. So simply you can join the line and you can say simply you will from this point, from point A. Okay, from point A, what will you do? You will simply join this line. Otherwise what will you do, beta? And this one angle H is given 95. So what will be the angle A? Angle A will be opposite of H angle, so it will be also 95, because in the parallelogram, properties of parallelogram, okay, opposite angles will be equal, opposite sides will be equal. Okay, so if this one is 95, so this one will be also 95. If this one is 85, so this one will be also 85. Clear? Now what can you do? You can make one more angle at angle A and this one will be 95 degrees. So what will you do? You will put, this is point A, so at point A also you will draw the angle 95. So you will put your D exactly at point A like that. Okay, and line is given this one side. So where will be the 95, beta? Here 0 is starting from here, so you will take the counting of outer side, and 90 is exactly straight line, and after that it will be 95 and 95 is here. So simply you will draw the point, and from this point you will join the line like that. Clear? So this point will cut here at point O, because you can see in this in your rough diagram A line. Okay, when you are extending the A line, so it is cutting at point R, so you will draw this point will be R. Clear? And this point will be R, and this angle automatically it will be 85 degree angle. Clear? Because this is a parallelogram. Angle H will be equal to angle A, this is 95 degree. Angle E will be equal to angle R, and it is 85 degree. Clear? And side HE is 5 centimeter, it means RA is also 5 centimeter. If EA is 6 centimeter, so you can say HR will be also 6 centimeter. Is it clear? So you can say this is your required parallelogram HEAR. Is it clear, beta? This is your required parallelogram HEAR. So how will you construct the parallelogram HEAR? So simply, beta, First of all, in this exercise we are constructing the quadrilateral where two sides and three angles are given. Clear? Two sides and three angles are given. So two sides and three angles are given. So how will you construct your quadrilateral? I have already told you. So first step, simply you will draw the parallelogram whatever it is given in your question. So here it is given a parallelogram HEAR, where HE is 5 cm, EA is 6 cm, R is 85 degree. Clear? So here first of all you will draw the parallelogram HEAR, roughly diagram like that. Clear? HEAR. Now you can write the side. HE is given 5 cm, EA is given 6 cm, and angle R is given 85 degree. So you know this is a parallelogram, and in this parallelogram we will make this quadrilateral also, like where two sides and three angles are given. So these two sides are already given in the question, but here only one angle is given. So what will you do? First of all you will draw the other two angles also. So in the parallelogram, properties of parallelogram, sum of any two adjacent angle will be equal to 180 degree, and opposite angles will be always equal. So angle R is given 85, so this one is opposite, angle E is opposite to R, so E will be also 85. After that you can find out the angle H also, because H and E and H and R both angles are adjacent angles, and sum of any two adjacent angle will be equal to 180 degree always. So here I am taking any two adjacent angle, so I am taking H and E. Clear? So sum of both the angles H plus E, it will be 180 degree. Angle H you have to find out. E is already given, it is 85 degree and equal to 180 degree. So what will be angle H? 180 minus 85 degree. So 180 minus 85, you will get here 95 degree. So angle H will be 95 degree. Now first step what we will do in this type of question, beta, first you have to take the length, where length of the side is given, and on this length both the angles are given. So here you can see on HE length both the angles are given, H and E. So you can take this one side also, and you know this one angle also, because this will be opposite of this, because this is a parallelogram. So opposite angles will be equal. So angle H will be equal to A, and it will be also 95. And this length and this length is given, so you can take any two sides. So for example, first I am taking this one side HE. So first of all, first step in your fair diagram, what will you do? You will draw a line segment HE 5 cm. After that you have to draw both the angles H and E. So H angle, it is already given in the question. You can see this is 95 degree. You have find out this. Okay, so this is 95 degree. So how will you draw the 95? 95 beta, 95 is not the standard angle, so you have to find this angle with the help of protractor. Okay, because you will not able to find out this with the help of compass, so you will try to draw this angle with the help of protractor. So 95, first of all you will put your D at point H, and you will find out the angle H, it is 95 degree. Same angle E is given 85 degree, but with the help of protractor you will find out angle E also 85 degree. So these are the 85 angle and 95 angle. After that EA line, okay, EA line segment, it is already given 6 cm. So at point E you will put your compass, open it 6 cm and draw the arc. So this arc will cut at point A, and this length EA length is 6 cm. Clear? Now you have to draw the angle A also. So angle A, what will be angle A? Angle A, you know this is opposite of H. So H is 95, so A will be also 95. So at point A also you have to draw the 95 degree angle. So this one also you will draw this with the help of protractor. So same exactly at point A you will put your compass and you will draw the angle 95. So 95, how will you draw beta? A. Okay, and line is given inside this one side, so you will start 0 from here. So 0 is given outer side counting. Okay, so you will count the outer siding while outer side counting. So this one is straight line 90 degree. After that it will be 95. Between 90 and 100 it will be 95 degree. Okay, this one like that. Okay, so you will put up dot, and after that you will join this line and this line. Okay, if you are extending the A line, so you can see this type. Okay, if you are extending on this way, this one line, so this is cutting at point, intersecting at point R, so you can say this is point R. Clear? Now you can say what will be angle R. So angle R will be automatically opposite of E, because in the parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So E is 85, so R will be also 85. Clear? So angle R will be 85 and opposite lengths are equal. So if HE is 5 cm, so RE is also 5 cm. EA is 6 cm given, so it will be also 6 cm. So you can say hence HEAR is your required parallelogram. Clear beta? All of you clear है? Yes beta. Now next question, exercise 4.3, question number 4, last question. So here what is given beta? It is given a rectangle OKAY. Okay, rectangle name is given OKAY, where OK is given 7 cm and KA is given 5 cm. You have to draw the rectangle OKAY, where OK is given 7 cm and KA is given 5 cm. So first step, what will you do? You will draw a rough diagram of the quadrilateral OKAY. For example, this is your rectangle OKAY. Clear? This is your rectangle OKAY. Clear? So simple. Here what is given? OK is given 7 cm, K is given 5 cm. Clear? K is given 5 cm. But in this exercise beta, we are doing which type of questions? We are doing where 2 sides and 3 angles are given. So how will you construct your quadrilateral? So here what is the quadrilateral? It is given rectangle. Okay, it is given rectangle. So in the rectangle what is given beta? 2 sides are given. OK is 7 cm and K it is 5 cm. Only 2 sides are given, no angle is given. So you know very well beta, a rectangle. Okay, what will be the angle of the rectangle? So all the angles of the rectangle will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, each angle will be equal to 90 degree in the rectangle. So you can take any 2 angle. O, it will be also 90, K will be also 90 degree. Okay, and it will be also 90, it will be also 90, because in the rectangle, according to the properties of rectangle, each angle will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, so what you have to do in for the fair diagram, first step, you will take a side or length of the side where length is already given and 2 angles, both the angles are given on that side. So here you can see, okay, this side is given already 7 cm and both the angles are given. If you will take K, so K is also given 5 cm and both the angles are already given 90 degree, because in the rectangle each angle will be equal to 90 degree. So all the angles are given and you can take any 3 angles, because we are doing the quadrilateral where 3 angles and 2 sides are given. Clear? So from these 2 sides you can take any one side. So for example, I am taking the side OK. So first step, with the help of ruler you will draw the line segment OK and it is 7 cm. Clear? So I am drawing here OK. Yes, like that. Okay, so this is OK side, you will write OK line segment and this is given 7 cm. Now at point O and K both the angles are given. Okay, because we have taken the side where both the angles are given. So O angle is also 90 degree and K is also 90 degree, and both the angles are possible to make to draw with the help of compass only. So beta, where the angle is possible to draw with the help of compass, you have to draw only by the compass only. Okay, if it is not possible, it is not the standard angle, then only you will take the help of protractor. But here O and K and A and Y, all the angles are 90 degree. So simply you can draw the angle with the help of compass only. So what will you do? First step, you will draw angle O, it is 90 degree. So you will put your compass at point O and you will draw the arc. Open, wait a minute. Yes beta. So you will put your compass on point O and you will draw the 90 degree angle at angle O, like that. After that, from here you will draw your first arc, same by the same length you will draw the second arc. After that you will take the bisection of both the arc, first arc and second arc. Clear? Now you will draw this arc with the line. So this will be your 90 degree angle. So you will join it by the straight line. Clear? This one. like that. So this is your 90 degree angle, angle O. Same at angle K also, at point K also you will draw the 90 degree angle. So same like that, you will open your compass and with the help of your pencil and compass you will draw the arc like that. After that, from here you will draw your first arc. After first arc you will draw the second arc, because first arc will be 60 degree angle and second arc will make 120 degree angle, and 60 and 20, between 60 and 20 what will be the angle? 90 degree. So from first arc and second arc you will draw the another two arcs, and both the arc will meet at 90 degree, and after that simply you will join this arc with a straight line. So this is also a 90 degree angle. Is it clear? So at point O and K we have drawn our angle 90 degree. After that beta, you can see in your rough diagram KA length. KA length it is already given, this is 5 centimeter. So what will you do? You will open your compass 5 centimeter with the help of ruler like that. Okay, you will open it 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter you will open your compass and draw the arc at point K. Okay, at point K you will draw the arc, and this arc will cut at which point beta? A point, because KA length is given 5 centimeter. So it will cut at point, this one point it will be A, and this length it is given 5 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay, so in the rectangle you know very well, okay, opposite sides, okay, opposite sides will be equal in length. If KA is 5 centimeter, it means this one side will be also 5 centimeter. So at point O also what will you do? You will open it same 5 centimeter and you will draw the arc at point O also, and it will cut at which point? You can see O. Okay, O is extending the line and it is cutting at point O. Okay, it is intersecting at point O. So you can say this arc will bisect at point O, and you will give the name, this will be O, and OY length will be same 5 centimeter, because according to the property of rectangle opposite sides will be equal in length. Okay, opposite sides will be equal in length. So this one is 5, so this one will be also 5. If this one is 7, so automatically next this one will be also 7. Now simply what will you do? You will simply join both the arcs. You will simply join both the arcs. Clear all of you? So this is OK. If OK is 7 centimeter, so you can say this one AY. Okay, this will be also 7 centimeter, and you can say OKAY. This is your required rectangle, not quadrilateral. Okay, the OKAY, this is your required rectangle. So like that you have to draw the rectangle. So how will you draw the rectangle beta? Simply, if two sides are given, so if no angle is given, so don't worry, what will you do? You know very well, in the rectangle each angle will be equal to 90 degree. So two sides are given, so any three angles you can take, because you know each angle will be 90 degree. After that you have to take the side where both the angles are given. So I am taking here OK side. So OK is 7 centimeter. After that at point O you will draw the angle 90 degree, simple, with the help of compass. After that at K also you will draw the 90 degree angle, and after that you will take the compass and you will open it 5 centimeter, because K length is given 5 centimeter, and draw the arc, okay, on the straight line, and it will cut at point A. After that you will join the line segment KA. Same, if K is 5 centimeter, so opposite, okay, opposite of that OY it will be also 5 centimeter. So simply at point O also you will draw the arc 5 centimeter, and it will cut at point Y. After that simply join the line segment AY. So what will be the length of AY? It will be also 7 centimeter, because OK length is 7 centimeter. So beta, in total 4 questions are given in exercise 4.3, and all the questions you have to write the construction also. Okay, in all the questions you have to write the construction also. So in construction what will you do? Simply you can write in your own language, because step by step only you have to write the steps. What are you doing? For example, if we are doing the construction of this one question, so how will you do the construction? So first you will start the first step, draw a line segment. Here what are you doing? Draw a line segment. First step, draw a line segment OK is equal to 7 centimeter. Second step, draw a angle 90 degree at point O and at point K also. Okay, draw the angle 90 degree at point O and K also. Okay, O and at point K also. After that, third step, what are you doing? From point K, from point K, you will draw the from point K, draw the arc of 5 centimeter. It will cut the line, it will cut the straight line, it will cut the straight line at point A. Clear? And next, from same at point O, from O also draw the arc of 5 centimeter. It will cut the line at point Y. Clear? So you have to draw the arc at point O also and K also 5 centimeter, because both the opposite side length will be equal, and this length is already given 5 centimeter K, so this one will be also 5 centimeter. After that, next step, join the line YA or AY. Okay, join the line AY. And next step, hence OKAY is required, hence OKAY is required rectangle. Okay, hence OKAY is your required rectangle. So beta, what will you do in this type of question? So simply what you have to do, you will draw the line segment, draw the quadrilateral step by step. So first of all, in all the types of quadrilateral, okay, you have to draw the rough diagram, and with the help of rough diagram you will draw the fair diagram, and in the fair diagram you will use the compass, ruler and your protractor, and after that you will draw the angle. So in this exercise we are doing when two sides and 3 angles are given. So how will you construct your quadrilateral? Okay, so when you are doing drawing the rectangle, so rectangle all the angles will be 90 degree. So any 2 sides are given, so you can take any 3 angles. After that you will take any side, and on this side you will draw both the angles 90 degree. And after that you can see the next line segment, it is given 5 centimeters. So you will draw the arc from point K and it will cut at point A. After that, same opposite side also you will do the same work, because this is a rectangle, and after that join the line segment AY. So this will be your required rectangle OKAY. Is it clear? So in all the questions of exercise 4.3 also, you have to write the construction also in first, second, third and fourth in all the questions. Okay, I have written the construction of question number 4, and what you have to do beta, you will write the construction of all the questions, and step by step in your own language you can write. Okay, I have not written, but you can write yourself. Okay, one question I have in one question I have told you the construction. How will you write the construction of the question? So only which steps you are following step by step, from first you will start the writing the steps. Okay, so like that you have to complete your exercise 4.3 also. Okay, and if you have any doubt beta, please join the doubt session for the please join the Zoom class for the doubt session. Is it clear? And complete your homework exercise 4.3. In the next video I will explain the exercise 4.4. Thank you so much students.